you have until 3 p.m. to arrive at the 27th District Court, or there will be a warrant issued for your arrest. Are you clear on that?
I'm clear on that. You're not even, I don't understand what you're saying. You're just going to tell me I can just jump in a ride and get down to the court and I don't have any way to get no financial or anything. So no, I'm not understanding what you're saying. For a 5-year-old case, so I'm taking it quite personal.
Yeah.
The last time I did you screaming at my attorney.
The content presented in this video is intended for commentary, analysis, and educational purposes, and is protected under the principles of fair use as defined by U.S. copyright law. Welcome back to Kangaroo Court Law. As we step into the digital chambers of the esteemed Judge Elizabeth DiSanto, where a courtroom drama unfolds, testing the boundaries of accountability and responsibility. Today we find ourselves amidst a high-stakes showdown between the court and a defendant who has defied orders to appear in person. To compound matters, the defendant's Zoom connection is riddled with audio issues, making communication a monumental challenge. Judge DiSanto, known for her unwavering commitment to upholding the law, has given the defendant numerous opportunities to appear and fulfill her obligations. However, excuses seem to be in endless supply as the defendant attempts to evade the consequences of her actions. The question on everyone's mind is this: will Judge DiSanto accept the defendant's excuses, or will she decide that enough is enough, and a warrant for her arrest must be issued? Stay tuned, and let's find out.
Ms. Jones, connect to audio. Please hold your sign up again.
You look like you work for the UAW there.
Some picture. We need a contract.
Oh, there we are. She's okay. Please unmute Ms. Jones. Ms. Jones, why are you not in person?
I'm not in person because I cannot get down there. I don't have the way there. I don't have the finance to get in the overall or live. I don't have a way to get there.
Okay, there's somebody there with you, correct?
Yes, I have.
Yes or no? Is there somebody there with you?
Yes, I have somebody to help me around here at the table. Yes.
Yes, then that person can bring you down to court.
No, they don't have a car. They're not here to do that. No, they're here to help me because
Okay, all this sounds really familiar, like the last time she was here. Yeah, no, Ms. Jones, you were ordered, excuse me, I'm gonna call this on the record, but you were ordered to appear in person. So we're going to, I don't know that we're handling this today, but we're going on the record in the matter of Michelle Jones.
Good afternoon.
18236.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Omar Shasta on behalf of the people, PH 6332.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Judge. I'm Chambers on behalf of Ms. Jones, P63956.
Thank you. Ms. Jones, your name for the record, please.
Michelle Lynn Jones.
Okay, so today's the date scheduled for the exam, the preliminary examination, which at no point was this indicated that this was going to be on Zoom. So I am very unclear, ma'am, as to how you didn't have any arrangements made to bring you to court.
Are you waiting for me to say something to you?
Yes.
Unclear. Well, I was unclear that I had to be there in court, or I would have tried to make a raise. In fact, I would have been there. I was misunderstood about being in person at court. That's why I made.
No.
That's why.
No. September 21st. September 21st. We set this for an exam on today's date. I indicated in person. In person. I never indicated on Zoom. You didn't have any information regarding appearing by Zoom. Your attorney didn't tell you to appear by Zoom. Did he?
Like I said, I was trying to speak, but you cut me off. I can't say anything. I'm waiting for you to get done. Like I said, it was a misunderstanding. Obviously, it's on my part because I did not hear you say that.
Judge, just on behalf of Ms. Jones.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chambers, just one moment. Ms. Jones, have you had
Yeah.
communication with your attorney since your last court date?
Yes, so we have communicated with each other, yes.
At any point, did your attorney tell you that you only had to appear on Zoom?
No, when I talked to him, it was about the case. This is not about me appearing in court because I signed up to I don't have a way to get down. That's why I explained to him. Like I said, I know I was supposed to appear this time in court. That was my misunderstanding. That I couldn't come, I couldn't appear on Zoom. I'm supposed to be in person. It was my misunderstanding. Yes, we talked.
What'd you say after misunderstanding? I didn't hear that.
I said, yes, we talked. My not using Zoom. I had to be in person. I didn't take it that I could not use Zoom.
Okay, well, counsel, I'm not moving forward today with your client on Zoom. She has a bond violation that's alleging she tested positive for cocaine, failed to appear for other tests, and there's also warrants out for her arrest. And if she doesn't get down here by 3 o'clock, excuse me, please don't interrupt me. If she does not get down here by 3 o'clock, there will be a warrant issued for her arrest. I'm not going to indicate that you need to stay here in person, counsel, until 3 o'clock. You can appear by Zoom, but your client absolutely needs to be here in person for her hearing, which was scheduled at 11 a.m. It is now 2 o'clock. You have had 3 hours, ma'am, at least since you've been notified that you need to be here in person to arrange for a ride, and you have not done that. You have until 3 p.m. to arrive at the 27th District Court, or there will be a warrant issued for your arrest. Are you clear on that?
I'm clear on that. You're not even, I don't understand what you're saying. You're just gonna tell me I can just jump in a ride and get down in the court and I don't have any way to get no financial or anything. Oh no, I'm not understanding what you're saying. For a 5-year-old case, so I'm taking it quite personal because the last time I did you screaming at my attorney, I had a misunderstanding. I was there at 8 o'clock or 30.
Ms. Jones, bear with me 1 second. And Judge, this is just what I was going to ask, and I understand what the court has said. I do. I was just going to ask, I do believe she's being genuine in that she did believe that this was she was wrong in that. And I think she's acknowledged that misunderstanding. If we could put it over a week, then if she doesn't appear next week, then the obvious result would be cake. We also know that she has to address the bond situation as well.
Right. If counsel, quite frankly, if she didn't have this bond violation, I would consider adjourning it over for 1 week. But you also contacted her shortly after 11, maybe 11:30, I think it was. And so she's had since then to arrange for transportation to get here.
And for all fairness to Ms. Jones, so the court knows, she did communicate with me with regards to the testing. The issue she was having at that time was that she was immigrant and that she could not pay the $20 that was required for the testing. And she just didn't have money. She indicated this to me a week, perhaps plus ago. And it was my intent to perhaps communicate with the court and try to see if something could be worked out, if the fees could be waived. I didn't get that communication. And I know according to the bond allegations that she missed the test date, that would be why when we hold the hearing with regards to that, that's what's going to come out. I just wanted the court to let you know that she has been in communication with me with regards to that. I was prepared before I actually got the violation notice to my email. I figured we were going to have to address that at this time, but she had communicated that issue to me before I ever got a violation.
Okay, I can appreciate that. That doesn't address the positive cocaine either.
Yeah, I agree.
So the missed test is not the only issue regarding the bond violation. The positive cocaine is a huge problem, huge problem. So, not only has she violated this court's order regarding that, her charge from 5 years ago is a possession charge, and now she tested positive for cocaine allegedly as a bond violation. And so, that is why this court is not putting this over for another week, because she's violated this court's bond condition as it's alleged. And if it was only the missed test, counsel, we could have, if there was some communication with the court, we could have done testing right here at the court. But we didn't have any information regarding that. I could have her tested right now when she gets here to court. We could see where she's at. Ma'am, what would be in your system if you were in a test right now?
Right now, it's clean. And I would have been clean then. I didn't know I was run over and arrested and have to do all this. This came out of nowhere. Yeah, I didn't know I was gonna come down here. I party. That was years ago, but I had to come right then to your court. I had that in my system way before then.
Ma'am, you, this shows that you were tested, you were ordered to test on September 8th. You didn't go into September, excuse me, please don't interrupt. You didn't go into test until September 13th. So that was 1 week after you were ordered not to take alcohol or drugs unless prescribed. And so let's you tested positive for cocaine and opiates. So, as such, this court is going to you need to be here by 3 o'clock. You need to be here by 3 o'clock or warrant issued for your arrest. Your attorney can appear on Zoom because he's been here practically wilting away because of his hunger. He's been here for 3 hours waiting for you, and you haven't made any attempt to get down here.
You don't know
You have
that.
until 3 o'clock. You have until 3 o'clock. Or a warrant will issue for your arrest.
You want me to zoom in at you, Judge?
Yes, counsel, please zoom in at 3 o'clock. Oh, let's go off the record for a moment. Mr. Chambers? You can come back for.
Hmm? I know all of it.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.